Good morning and welcome to the Australian Stock Reports online morning update for the 6th of October 2011. Easing concerns over Europe's debt crisis and an improving jobs picture in the US buoyed global markets overnight. Moves to recapitalise Europe's weakest banks gathered steam amid reports EU officials are preparing another round of bank stress tests. The stress tests would focus mostly on Greek sovereign debt holdings and aim to provide more clarity on the amount of capital needed to stabilise Europe's banks. US stocks continued their positive momentum after a measure of private payrolls came in stronger than expected. Although the data provided more evidence of anemic economic growth in the US, traders were at least hopeful that a recession may be avoided. The Aussie market is on track for another strong start this morning, with futures currently pointing to a 60-point gain on the open. As the table shows, European indices were the night's biggest gainers, with Germany and France surging more than 4% each. The euro was also higher, but its gains were kept in check ahead of tonight's ECB monetary policy meeting. The rebound in risk appetite weighed on the US dollar, whilst the Aussie strengthened on the back of yesterday's strong retail sales data. Commodities also firmed, with oil leaping more than 5% following a surprise drop in weekly crude stockpiles. Overnight, the SPI broke through yesterday's high of 39.60 and continued to strengthen in line with the offshore gains. The index came back a touch towards the end of the US session and is currently trading just below the 4,000 psychological resistance region.
Get free access to our daily reports and recommendations now. Visit australianstockreport.com.au/try.